Okay, in this short tutorial I'm going to demonstrate how to use markers. So as you can see on the map right now, I've got a few markers laid around on the land. So if I was to zoom in and have a look over here, I've got a little information marker here. I can click on it and it pops up and shows me information about the marker. So gives me the longitude and latitude, who laid the marker, which user, what it's called, and we can do things such as move the marker and so forth, and set the description and change the marker. Let's have a look at another one over here. We've got one for a fire over there and one here for water as well. So let's say I want to lay my own marker. So let's say I want to put a muster point over here. I could just click over here, add marker, and I just simply have to click on the map where I want it to be added. And by default, it'll always use the info marker. But if I want to change it, I simply just go to change marker. And let's say we want to use a muster point here, or actually, let's just say this is a fuel tank, possibly. Let's say this is fuel. I'll just go save, and there it is. And right now it says fuel, and we could maybe say specifically this is petrol. So I could come over here and say petrol. Maybe this is, I don't know, petrol number 1 or number 2. You can customize it to your liking. And there we go. So that's petrol over 2 right over there. Now let's say I'm not happy with the location of it. I simply just click on the marker, and I can go move marker, and all you got to do is click and hold on the marker until it pops up, and you can move it wherever you want. Let's say I want it to go over there. I'm pretty happy with that. I go done, close, and that's now the new place of that marker. Now if we want to add a marker while we're on the go, we've got these quick markers up here. So let's see where my current vehicle is. There I am. So let's say I'm happily going along the land, and right to the left of me immediately I've just spotted a tree stump. I could just quickly press the tree stump, quick marker, and as you can see it has immediately laid that marker exactly where it was at the time when I pressed it. I could do the same for a rock. So let's say I've just seen a rock there. I click rock, there's another rock marker. And if you need to show more, you simply just click the dot 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 menu here, and it pops up with all the markers we have available. So let's say I've just seen a sheep. I'll just press the sheep icon, and there we go. And it'll always lay the quick marker from the moment you pressed the button there. So if you've pressed that button and you're taking a while to find it, it doesn't matter. Whichever marker icon you do choose, it will lay it at the exact point at which you press this. If you are traveling at some good speed, it'll always record the exact location when you press the actual marker itself. So there we go. That's how you add markers. Oh, and lastly, if you do want to remove a marker, you simply press on the marker, it pops up, and towards the bottom here we have delete marker. So we can press that and confirm the delete, and it's gone. So there we go. That's a short demonstration of how we use markers.